National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County, Michigan. Effective until 2:15 p.m., the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clinton County in south-central Michigan until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near St. John's, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. John's, Elsie, Ovid. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.